Hey guys, it's Johnny, and I got my throat fixed, but now I sound like I'm gay. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm getting dressed for my doctor's appointment, and then after our doctor's appointment, I'm going to the school dance, and guess who I'm taking? The most prettiest girl ever. My mom.
My mom.
So come on, let's go get me dressed.
Hey there, I like your hair. Who does your hair? I wanna go there. Psha, I like your hair. Who does your hair? I wanna go there. Hey, my scalp itches. Let's do my own damn hair. Psha, I need more gel. My hair looks like hell. Oh my god. Blonde, brunette, redhead, more like dreadhead. Oh my god. Hey there, I like your hair. Who does your hair? I wanna go there. Psha, I like your hair. Who does your hair? I wanna go there. Let's get a dyke spike. Are those highlights? That's great color. Ooh.
Snazzy. I'm ready to go. So doctor, am I gonna be okay? Yay, yay. Good.
Do you wanna come to a party? My friends pick me up in a truck at